Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot API access for custom dashboards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot API access for custom dashboards, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, find and select Integrations. Under Integrations, click on Next, open your preferred development environment or code editor. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to set up the API access. In your project, add a new file named config.js or similar. Paste your API key into the configuration file. Make sure to keep your API key secure and not expose it in public repositories. Next, decide which endpoints you will need access to for your custom dashboards. Consult the HubSpot API documentation to review available endpoints. In your code, write a function to make an API request using the fetched API key. Use a library like Axios or Fetch API to facilitate the requests. Include error handling to manage potential issues with API calls. Test the connection by making a simple GET request to an endpoint. Verify that you receive a successful response and the expected data. Once confirmed, continue building your dashboard features using the API data. Ensure your dashboard updates dynamically to reflect any changes made in HubSpot. It's important to review HubSpot's API usage limits and guidelines. Optimize your calls to minimize exceeding daily rate limits. Remember to handle authentication errors gracefully to improve user experience. Finally, document your code clearly for future reference and maintenance. You are now ready to use HubSpot API access in your custom dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.